Benson, we actually found a property that one of my clients flipped when we really got familiar with Privy, and it just sold recently. And it was such a knockout. It was mind blowing. The property is in Auburn, Gresham. It's 7938 South Normal. It just sold. And
that was when you found on Privy.
It was one that we found on Privy. And
awesome.
Let's
look at that. Can we look at that right after? I really want to check that one out.
Absolutely. Yeah. And it was just amazing because I did exactly what you just said. I looked to see what was selling in the area, and I found some amazing comps, and I was able to see the before and afters. And I was just like, this is a no-brainer. We're going to make this work. And it actually was a phenomenal deal.
That address, I want to see what that house looks like.
7938 South Normal. I love this so much. It's such a great tool to explain to any investor, no matter where they are in their knowledge base. This really lays out why we're going after the property, like, very clearly, and it gives us like real-time data that we can also present to lenders, because you have to talk your lender into doing this deal and persuading them to give you money, even though you don't see that on the front end as an investor. That's actually what you're doing. So this tool has a saving grace when trying to negotiate appraisals and get good interest rates on things. But yeah.
Oh yeah, lenders love Privy. You can share those links with your lender, and they got everything right there. It's so easy for them to land on a property you find when you show them 3 fix and flips in the neighborhood that just closed, and the before and after. Oh God. So your client did this house, right?
Yeah.
Well, here you are, Natalie Peralta, eXp Realty. You got it for 77 grand.
Yes.
Sold it for 335,000. Oh my God, this is
That's
amazing.
Ridiculous, right?
Oh my God, your clients must love you.
They
absolutely
do.
Love you.
Yes, but I found this deal on Privy, and people kept on saying, like, it's not like this is a secret software. And I said, it's not, but when you invest in software to help you understand what you're doing, it was very easy for me to take this listing, show it to my client, show him to properties that were selling in the area. And we had a huge spread because he got this at a foreclosure.